We're Nietzsche and Gray. We met in 2020 during the pandemic. One thing led to another, and now we're living in Nietzsche's van together. We've seen some pretty amazing sights so far and can't wait to find out what lies ahead. Although there's been some bumps along the way since we are figuring things out as we go along. One of the most valuable lessons we've learned is to go with the flow. If you want to hear what else van life has taught us, then keep on watching.
What's up, YouTube? Oh my god, we are bringing you our top 5 favorite van items. Number 1, our stoves. We love our stoves.
No,
we have one butane.
We're doing this.
Oh. Hey guys, welcome to the inside of our van. In this video, we're gonna tell you our 5 lessons that we've learned so far in van life.
We've been on the road for about a month now, and we've taken some time off to do some renovations. We've got a nice ceiling vent and some solar panels all hooked up, so we're getting ready to leave tomorrow to hit the road again, and we were just kind of reminiscing on what we've learned so far in our journey and wanted to share with you guys these lessons.
And if you learned anything from our lessons vicariously, please hit that thumbs up, like the video, subscribe, and comment if you have anything that you've learned in sort of van life camping experience, or if you want to learn more about a certain aspect of van life. We might make another video on that. So yeah, let us know.
Let's just get right into it.
Lesson number 1, working together might be a little obvious, but we have to maintain our relationship, and just in general, it's so good to just look out after each other and make sure all our needs are met, water, food, and just asking for help and things that we need to get done. There's always something to do in van life, and you gotta work together.
Yeah. Lesson number 2 that we have learned is a heightened appreciation of water. Not having any running water on the road and not having a bathroom or a shower on the road has definitely made me appreciate the luxuries of life.
Yeah, because we're always looking for somewhere to go to the bathroom, especially during COVID, where things are being shut down.
Yeah, and also for like washing dishes, the process just takes so much longer when you don't have running water. You have to fill up a tub of water and then wash everything with that, and then rinse it with either the same water, or if you're lucky enough to have 2 tubs, which we just bought, then you can rinse it with some clean water. But yeah, the process just takes a lot longer than normal. We don't have a dishwasher, obviously.
I'm the dishwasher.
Yeah. Just appreciation of water has been something that I've definitely learned a lot in van life.
3rd lesson is just slowing down and appreciating everything as we go along, because a lot of times we feel like we're in such a rush. We want to get to a certain place, we want to leave a certain place, but we have to really be able to appreciate all the little things and the time that we're traveling and everything about the whole lifestyle, because for us this isn't a permanent thing, and we know that we're gonna miss this one day, so we gotta appreciate it while it's here.
Yeah, nicely said. Lesson number 4, we have learned that travel is really rough on the body, so we need to rest accordingly and not push ourselves too hard. Really just take into consideration how far the lengths of the drives are, and not pushing, Nietzsche, our driver, beyond his limits. We usually like to stay around like 3-hour travel ranges. Anything beyond that is just kind of rough on us. Definitely listening to our body and resting is something that we've learned a lot.
Yeah, never realize how much just sitting in a car will do to your body. Lesson number 5, always stay at least 2 nights at a campsite. It takes up a lot of time when you set up a campsite, leave a campsite, go look for another campsite, and a lot of times you don't really get to appreciate the place that you're at fully if you just stay one night at a campsite, unless you're just planning on rolling through, being like a transit zone. But a lot of times we're in these beautiful places wishing that we could stay longer, but most places only take reservations now, so you have to really plan ahead, and 2 days is always good. One day you're just kind of there and gone.
Yeah, because a lot of the checkout times are ranging between what, like 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., right? So like even if you wanted to wake up around 8 or 9, if you want to have breakfast, by the time you clean up breakfast, it's time to check out. So there's not much leeway there. So it's nice to know where you're gonna sleep that night, stay at the same campsite, and then you can enjoy the afternoon and go hiking or whatever. That's all we've learned so far. I mean,
yeah, it's been a month around since we started, and now that we're done with our new renovations, we could hit back on the road. We're heading through the Southwest, and then eventually heading over to the East Coast, back to Grayson's place in Rock Hill. Hi, Karen.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. We hope you enjoyed these lessons of van life. If you did, please give us a thumbs up, and please go ahead and subscribe to our channel. We make new videos every Sunday, and we are so happy to see you every week.